Packing lunches and snacks for kids can feel like a daily battle, but a few simple tricks can make food fun, fresh, and actually eaten. Today, we're sharing 20 genius lunchbox and snack hacks parents swear by. Everyone is easy, safe, and picky eater approved. Freeze yogurt tubes overnight and pack them straight into the lunchbox. They work as an ice pack all morning, keeping the rest of the food cool and fresh. By lunchtime, the yogurt has thawed into a perfect chilled treat. It is a 2-in-1 hack that saves you buying extra cold packs. Arrange veggies into a silly face or animal right on the plate. Cucumber eyes, a carrot smile, and cherry tomato cheeks make vegetables feel like a game. Kids are far more likely to eat food they helped decorate. For toddlers, cut everything small and soft to avoid choking. Make your own trail mix so you control exactly what goes in. Mix cereal, dried fruit, pretzels, and seeds for a fun grab-and-go snack. Let kids build their own combinations for a sense of ownership. Skip whole nuts for little ones and check your school's allergy rules first. Kids will eat almost anything if there is a dip involved. Pack a small cup of hummus, yogurt, or nut-free spread with veggie sticks or crackers. Dipping turns snack time into an activity they actually enjoy. Freeze the dip cup and it doubles as an ice pack too. Fill a water bottle halfway and freeze it overnight. Then top it up in the morning. It keeps the whole lunchbox cold and gives kids icy water by lunchtime. This works great on hot days when food spoils quickly. Just leave room at the top so the water has space to expand. Refillable squeeze pouches let you make your own yogurt or fruit blends. Just spoon in yogurt or smoothie and seal the top for a mess-free snack. You save money and skip the extra sugar of store-bought pouches. They rinse clean and can be used again and again. Skip the pricey store-bought lunch kits and build your own. Pack crackers, cheese slices, and thin deli meat in separate compartments. Kids get to stack and assemble their own bites, which they find fun. You control the ingredients, and it costs a fraction of the price. Spread a nut-free spread on a tortilla, add a whole banana, and roll it up. Slice it into little rounds that look just like sushi. It is a sweet, filling snack that feels like a special treat. Cut the pieces thin for younger kids so they are easy to chew. And there you have 20 simple hacks to make lunches and snacks fun again. Try just 1 or 2 this week and watch mealtime get easier. If these tips helped, give this video a like and subscribe for more family-friendly ideas. Thanks for watching and happy packing!